Okay, following my first video with all the damage that was to the panels in the kitchen, these are really replacement panels that you've sent out recently. I just want to show you the damage on these. This is an end panel, so as you can see, this corner's all smashed in. It actually looks like it's been smashed in and then touched up, so that's even worse. So it's been defective and then bodged up to make it look like it's not too bad. It is. This is another end panel that it had started cutting already, but as you can see, damage to the corner, paint on the top's uneven. There's a lip here. In fact, if you push that lip, look, the paint flakes off. This is one of the doors where the paint's so thin on this top edge here that it's already starting to wear off on this corner. This is one of the drawer fronts, replacement drawer fronts. I don't know if you can see that. There's a big chunk missing out of the top of that. And this top edge is quite uneven. There's no paint on the end of this end here either. This is the replacement fridge door. I don't know whether you'll be able to see this or not, but along this leading edge here, all the way along this edge, there's door showing through the paint. Basically, the paint's that thin, you can already see through it. So that's those. This is the two long pieces. There's a big chip out of that there. If you look down the length of this one, I don't know whether you'll be able to see it on the video or not. All down here, there is run marks all the way down this length that run. Yeah, I mean, that's basic. This is the other one. Chip out there, big gouge out there. And if you look, I don't know whether you'll be able to see this or not either. If you look down the length of this, it's all like orange peeled, where the paint's that thin that you can actually see the machine marks underneath it still, and it's orange peel because it's such a thin coat of paint, and it's just, yeah, I mean, I'm fairly sure if you tap that with anything it would just flake off. So that's the replacement panels that you sent out. Yeah, not very good really.